So for accessing this, and even being able to paint these bezels here, you're gonna get your fingers inside of the shifter boot area, pop it up, okay, and then just pull it out. All right, you have this part up, okay, just kind of shove that off to the side. Now you have a screw on either side that'll remove this whole piece here. So you can unscrew that. Oh, actually, there's a second one, I forgot about it. This part is the fun part. So there's a lot of screws for taking this part. Whoop. Okay. So once those two are removed, just pull that piece off. You can see that pulls right out. It's held on by clips. Okay. Once that part is done, then you have another screw here and here, both sides. You want to remove those. Luckily, these screws are all the same size, so it's not a huge deal. Right. Okay, from there, you can literally just grab around the leatherette portion of this, just pull it. Alright, so that makes that loose. And then what you have to do from there is back behind here, you have these cables, which you're gonna have to pry out. Like that, just by pushing. It's gonna feel like you're gonna break it, but you won't. Then there's like a little button that you can push to get this out. There. So there's your start button. This one has a better adapter to it, but that's your little thing there. From there, you can pull this right out. Okay, so once you have this piece out, you're gonna wanna flip it upside down here. Open this up. And from here, you can see there's a bunch of tiny screws. Okay. And what you want to do is remove those screws. I'm going to take each one out. Once you have that last screw out, there's 7 there. This will come right off, and this gives you access to the button. Back of that piece that we just pulled off. Now in order to get that button, you can just take out these 2 screws. The first time I did it, I actually took the whole damn thing apart, and I realized you didn't have to do that, because check that out. 2 screws, here's your piece, you can paint it, whatever.